We have Haley Steinfeld in this chair.
Hey.
This is part 2, showing you how to underpaint again, Danielle.
Yeah,
Don't
right.
fuck me this time, okay? Yeah, this is something that she has been learning for the last week or so, right?
Do you know the underpaint?
Can you explain it to us?
The underpaint is a lot of stuff under.
I'm just sculpting the nose a little bit. I'm bronzing her up a lot more than her skin tone because she's like, her whole body's covered, but we're gonna tan up her legs after. For my favorite part, the blush. Have you tried this trick out yet?
Will you try, homie?
Just the blush? You don't want to do underpaint?
No, just the blush.
Just the blush. You love? Yeah.
No, I'm so scared.
Using my new foundation, we're gonna go in the underpainting now. We're just gonna cover everything that we just put on.
You look great.
Oh, you too? No. We're trusting the process right now, you guys. So I was just in Haley's latest newsletter.
What they say about you.
But you guys, she launched a newsletter, all things, everything. So,
All
check
things,
it out.
everything. Both
Check it out.
Society. Check it out.
Danielle was trying to hook up my assistant with her
Matthew, come here, look,
assistant.
look.
Come on in, Matthew. Hi.
I'm the empress.
We're doing a little bit of baking just under her eyes so I can do the eyeshadow now.
That's a bake. Todd, come look at the bake.
Oh, it looks so good. See? You're
Who's
learning.
the baker?
You're learning,
Touch it,
Danielle.
Todd.
The dress is like between these two colors, so I want to match the dress with like very
Too
monochromatic
bad you
vibes.
can't ask him which one because it's not real time.
Wait, what? She's in her own world. Just don't listen to Danielle, okay? The eye makeup is just giving right now. I'm really obsessed with it. I'm gonna wipe off the bake now so you can see all of the eyeshadow didn't get onto the under eye. It's still nice and bright.
That's from the underpaint.
Yep. She learned something, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, my back is probably broken right now.
Oh, good. Oh, your back is broke.
We're putting a little bit of cheese bronze in the hollows of the cheekbones.
Am I gonna get some of that overpainting for this?
No, you're done.
Oh.
You're done.
You're done.
Oh, but look at your
guys.
makeup looks so pretty.
What about yours? I'm putting a little bit of cream blush just onto the chiquianas.
The what?
More blood?
More blush.
She's back.
I'm putting on a little bit of She's Independent just into the center of the lips.
What are you putting on now?
So,
What are you putting on now? You forgot a spot. What the fuck is that?
Danielle,
What is that?
what did I teach you about? Baking. We're baking and underpainting.
Danielle, let him work.
Patrick Todd, the baker, face maker.
That's the final look. Danielle did not learn anything today. Because
Nothing.
nothing.
Shame.
But Haley Steinfeld, like, wow.
Danielle, move.
Danielle, just get out of the way. Just us. Just kidding.